Okay, so for the last activity and compliance for our subject, let's start doing this isometric floor plan. Okay, so we have to copy this layout, but first we have to turn off some layers, specifically text. Just turn it off, then you start copying this water line and sewer line a little downwards. There you go. And you can restore that visibility. Balik natin siya. Click. And we'll just be turning water line as your current layer. So select, and there you go. Just delete the circles that we use for column taggings. Just the circles. Then might as well you can also fix this excess lines for the grids. You just click and drag them so we can save space for later. Or if you want the other method to do this, it's also possible. Okay, so just drag it with your grip and with your objects not perpendicular. So just the same process with the other one. So just make this one quicker. There you go. And uh, let's finish all these things here. Yeah, others eliminate the dimension objects, but it's okay also if you just leave them like that for again estimating purposes. I'm going to quick save that. Then let's type negative V. Okay, then let's type SW for Southwest Isometric. There we go. Then let us zoom in here. Let's type B for blocker. Sorry, let's type UCS muna. Then V for view. So we're just trying to lock the block on the Southwest Isometric view para in any case that we will be inserting it, say, on the top view. Okay, naka-isometric pa rin siya. So we are just getting the view of it, okay? So we're good with that. The next thing is to block it. So that's B, enter. And just put a name, ISO, PNS. So that's PN sanitary for plumbing and sanitary. You just have to click pick points. Maybe you can just pick on the corner and select objects. You click this button. You select all of this. You can do this thing here or you can do it that way as long as everything is properly selected. Okay, we're good. Just have to press enter once everything is fully selected. You can select delete and click OK. Then let's go with your water line again. Kindly check, make sure it's your current layer. Then the next thing to do is I for insert. Okay, so this is your block. So you just have to click it and it will be on your screen. Or sorry, just press escape. I just have to negative V pala. Negative V, enter, T for top. There you go. So we just have to restore the view muna. Sorry for that. And that's I enter. So ito siya. Click. Ulitin ko before you press or before you type I or insert, you just have to restore the view muna to top view. Okay, so I'm just going to click this one here and probably you close this one so it won't consume much of your drawing space. You can zoom in and let's type X, select this object, click, enter. So para ma-modify natin siya kasi pag black siya automatically single entity siya. So it will be quite hard for you to modify every elements because it's a block. It's one entity. So I asked you to explode it. Okay? Now, let's see. We have our pipes here. There you go. We're going to put them on a isometric. So that's snap still. Enter. Set your value to 1. Then this is our cursor. There you go. So inahin natin siya dito banda. Okay, I'm going to move this. Enter. Going to pick 1 and 2. Enter. I'm going to snap here. Probably at 0.5. Okay. Then L. 1 and 2. And I'm going to click this one, Control C, and Control V. Okay, PR. So I'll be selecting this one, and I'm going to change the rotation to 30 and the obliquing to 30. Make sure na selected po yung text before nyo siya i-modify sa properties. Or you can't actually modify any object in the properties palette if it's not yet selected. Okay? Then I'm going to drag this one somewhere dito. Yan. Malapit-lapit lang. Not super layo. Okay, then press escape. You can close this one if you won't be using it anymore. And we're good with that. Dito tayo. Let's type L. Okay. That's 0.5. Enter. Enter. M. Going to move this line here a little upwards. There you go. And I'm going to type E to erase 1 and 2. Enter. So you just have to delete that circle. Then we have to create another one here. C. Enter. Or sorry, that's EL pala. EL. Enter. Click ISO circle. You snap on this endpoint here. Okay. You can press F5 if it's not properly aligning to the orientation of your isometric. Yan, press F5 anytime, then click until dun sa mag-align siya dun sa accurate. Okay? Then that's 0.025. There you go. Then hatch. H enter. Look for user define, or sorry, solid pala. Then we click this. Okay? And we close hatch. So, okay na to. Mamaya na tayo mag-copy and paste ng text. Ayusin muna natin yung mga height ng pipes natin. Let's type L. We click this. Medyo taasan natin siya at 1.2. Enter. L, enter. This one, we click. Make this 1 meter. Ito yung nasa kitchen. Enter. And probably, we can just copy this one here para dito sa AWM natin. Okay. We move M, enter, click, click. M, enter, we select this line, enter, we click, and we click here. Yan. M, enter, select, enter, click siya dito, lagay siya dito. Okay? Then E. Yan, burahin po natin yung mga naunang circle. Hope you follow. Enter. Okay, now we're going to make separate ISO circles for this. That's EL, enter. Click ISO circle. We snap on here. Yan. Then we press F5 para mag-align siya ng maayos. And another one. That's 0.025 for the radius. Okay? Then EL, sorry, H, enter. Click. We just be using solid for that. Click close. Then we copy CO. Pick 1 and 2. Sorry, CO, pick 1 and 2, enter, we snap here, and lagay natin dito, tsaka dito, enter. Okay, lipat tayo dito sa may shower, that's L, we snap here, that's 1.8, enter, and L, this one is probably a little, mga 0.3, enter, enter. And L, this one is, let's make it at 1 meter, okay, or probably 0.90. Enter, enter. Let's copy this line, CO, select, enter, click dito, click, enter. L and, or sorry, copy na lang. Okay, click ko dito, lagay ko dito, enter. CO, select this, enter, we click here, and we click dito. Click, enter. So, hindi ko na siya ganun binabagalan kasi you're already familiar with this, matawag dito. You're already familiar with this type of commands, okay? So, I'm just going to move, select, enter, yan. And move ko lang po ito. Or actually, you can create the same lines, or you can also move this existing. Okay, after moving them, later we will be deleting the circles and we will just be probably copying the same ellipse with the other one na mayroon parehong orientation. Okay? So, just delete this. Bilisan ko na lang po sa part na to. As deleting is a little easier. No need to properly elaborate it. Yan. There you go. And then we just copy this, CO, 1 and 2, enter. I'll snap on the center, 1, 2, and 3, enter. And we copy, ito, pareho sila, 1 and 2, enter. We snap on the center, and we snap on the endpoint. That's 1, 2, and 3, enter. We're actually good. The only thing left is the labeling. Okay, so Control C, Control V, click, Control V, this is pang Control V. So this will be CV, select M, click, this is GV, enter, enter. So you just have to click and drag with your grips. You can press F5 if hindi siya nag-a-align dun sa gusto mong direction. F5. There you go. Select this one and somewhere here. There you go. So I'm just going to press escape. We're good with that. Click, Control C, Control V. Okay? And Control V lahat. Pwede nyo i-turn off si OSNAP for this kasi minsan pag kiniklik natin, napupunta siya dun sa nearest object snap na nade-detect ng command or ng program. Yan. This is really mabilis actually. This is the best part of the working drawings na gustong-gusto kong ginagawa. Then you just double click. This one is L-tab. Enter. Click. This is KS for kitchen sink. Enter. This will be AWM. Enter. Oh, this is shower. Enter. This one is WC. Enter. Lav. Enter. Click. This is also lavatory. Enter. Click. Water closet. Enter. Sha. Enter. 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 And quick save. So the only thing left is for this water line are the specification of your water pipes. Okay. So we select one. Click. Control C and Control V. So we want our text to be oriented this way. Naka-isometric left. So papalitan natin siya. Ito kasi rotation angle and obliquing angle are both 30. So this time they are both 330 degrees. Okay? Let's go back. First, that's PR, enter. You select the text. Make sure walang active na command. You select the text. Punta tayo under text item. That will be rotation 330, enter. Obliquing 330, enter. There you go. So you can close this na if you want to kasi it's consuming your drawing space. You can press F5 with this and another one because I need to move it that way. Then double click. That's 1/2 inch percent C for the diameter symbol space PPR pipe. Enter. Or you can actually use other water line pipes just like the one I have discussed you before. So it's up to you. You don't have to necessarily follow my specification. And I'm going to Control V here since pareho lang naman sila ng specs. Okay? We're good with the water line. So the next one will be V sewer line. Okay? Unahin natin siya sa dito. Okay? Press F5. So Control C, Control V, and another Control V. So this one you have to type the one coming from the storm drain is going to the existing drain line. The other one is sewer line. So double click to existing. Actually, some others say street canal or pwede din yon. Anyway, this one is to existing drain line. Enter. Click this to existing sewer line. Or others use it to public main. Something like that, which is also pwede din. We're good. Going to click this, Control C and Control V. I'm going to label my clean out here. That's CO.O. Enter. Escape. So drag ko lang dito. And Control C that and Control V here. Okay, this one will be SV. S.V. Enter, enter. Okay. Control S to quick save. So I'm going to Control C this one and Control V, Control V here, Control V here also. Make sure na walang nag-overlap. Okay? Kasi pag makapal yung line niyo sa actual, pag nag-print yan, hindi nyo gano'ng mababasa. This is floor drain. This is WC. This will be LAV for the lavatory. Another one here, that's LAV, enter. Okay, that's WC, enter. That's FD, enter, enter. Okay? So as you can see, nag-copy lang tayo ng isa. Then we modify it. Ganun lang naman siya. You don't have to create again and again. There's a more convenient way of doing things. And there you go. I'm just going to press escape. Copy ko na rin to dito. Okay, clean out. Okay. Aha. O, dito naman. This is L tab. Again, double click, L tab, enter, click. This is AWMB. Enter. This will be KS. Okay. We're good with that. Bigyan naman natin siya V pipe. Okay. I'm going to Control C this one and Control V here and another Control V on this part. Okay. This one is 2 inches. Sorry, patayo niya. 2 inches. Sorry, that's shift pala. Okay, percent C, 2 inches diameter, orange PVC pipe. Okay, and I'm going to highlight that. Yan, Control C, then escape. And click this one and Control V. Going to change the 2 to 4. Enter, enter. Okay, so that's Control S. Hanap pa tayong isa. Yan, Control C, Control V. Okay, double click, that's 4. Again, inches, percent C, orange PVC pipe. Enter, enter. Okay, so you can just move it a little somewhere there. We're good. Okay, what's the next thing? Our catch basin. Okay, let's start with this one. I'm going to press F5. That's L. Going to click here. Have to make sure that ortho is on. This is 0.5 and escape ko lang. I need to set my proper layer pala. So L, click, little downwards, 0.5, enter. Press F5. That's 0.5 again. Na ba sobra? Ilan ba to? Ilan ba yung nalagay ko? Oh. Anyway, sige. Hindi ko alam bakit ako napunta sa ganong wait. DI. Bakit 0.35 to? Saan ko nakuha yung 0.35? This should be 0.5. But anyway, pangatawanan ko na yun, which is in a way, pasok pa rin naman. So, please paki-correct na lang yun. That is 0.5 by 0.5. Anyway, I just created this. Yan. The catch basin. Click here. Control C and Control V. So, you double click the contents. That's CB. Okay. Then you copy. CO. Select natin to. Mga lines na to. Tsaka to. Enter. We click on the midpoint. Yan, kasama po nakakopy si text. I just don't know where did I get the point 0.3. That was supposed to be 0.5. Anyway, we're going to snap on the midpoint. It's okay if you don't do the isometric of the catch basin, but para ma-practice nyo, might as well lagay nyo na rin. Okay? So we are good with the catch basin. Next, si septic vault. Let's check yung volume niya. I already have one done here. Okay, I put 1.5 for the depth. Okay, so let's adapt that. So L, then I'm going to press F5. That's 1.5, enter. And another F5. Dito naman ako. That's just 1.2, enter. Wait, bakit? My lines are not getting fit according to the ano. Anyway, I'll just do that. Probably the way it was converted into ano. But anyway, that is very seldom na ma-encounter ko. I'll just check it later. Yan. Okay. Okay lang din po kahit hindi nyo pakita yung depth ng septic vault. It's quite fine, but sabi ko nga for you guys to be more familiar with this, pwede nyo siyang gawin. Okay? So, okay na yung septic vault. Okay na yung catch basin natin. May label na yung mga pipes. Okay? So, the next thing to do will be the downspout. Okay? So, your downspout will be coming from your gutter. They will be connected to your catch basin. Okay? That's why I asked you to design a roof that is either gable or hip roof for this purpose also. So, let's see. That will be L. I'm going to snap dito. Yan. Nakikita nyo yung part na to. I'm going to snap M2P 1 and 2. Yan. And I have 0.6 na tambak at saka 3 meters na height. So therefore this downspout has a length of 3.6. Enter. My bulada or roof eaves is 1.2. Enter. And just tiny line up there. Just 0.1 or probably 0.15. Sige. Enter. Okay? So, ito na siya. When we type or we press F5, then we type TL, isocircle, snap here, and this will be 3 inches usually yung sa downspout. So, if we're going to specify that is 0.075 in meter. Then, kalahati, kasi diameter yung hinihingi. So, that's 0.0375. Okay? So, that's it. Let's copy one text. Click Control C, Control V. Okay? And then, let's select this one. I want it to be a line na nakapatayo. Yan. Isometric, right? So, therefore, we have to adjust our rotation angle na 90 degrees at yung obliquing angle ng 330. Okay? So, here, escape, PR, enter. We select this. We change the rotation ng 90, enter. We change the obliquing to 330, enter. And let's see. Yan, tama. So, close ko lang to. Double click. That's 3 inches. Percent C. Orange. PVC downspout. Enter. There you go. Maybe you can just type QP for this. Click this one. Maybe pwede nyo siyang palitan ng 0.15 kasi masyado siyang malaki. Pwede naman. Okay? You can snap somewhere here. Tapos, move nyo na lang ng konti para hindi siya nag-overlap. Kasi pagdating sa actual, pag na-print yan, nag-overlap sila. Hindi siya ganun ka-readable. Okay? Let's copy one text also. That's Control C and Control V. So that's DS for downspout. Okay? Then escape. Control S. That's CO. Select this, and this. Enter. Kunin natin siya dito sa dulo. Click. And we click here. And we click another M2P here. 1 and 2. Okay? Meron pa po tayo sa likod. So, that's another M2P. 1 and 2. Enter. Okay? Move ko lang to. Yeah, probably we can eliminate this text or this dimension. Check nyo na lang. Kung hindi naman siya nag-overlap, huwag yung tanggalin. Pero kung nag-overlap, might as well, alisin na po natin. Okay? See, for example, dito, pwede nyo silang tanggalin. Yung sa kabila, meron naman, tinanggal din natin pala. Yeah, probably you can eliminate them if they are consuming space or nag-overlap siya. Pero kung hindi naman po, wag na. Okay? Anyway, so, asa sa inyo pa rin, because we have different plans, we have different outcomes. I'm going to move this one here. M. Yan. Lagay natin dito. M. Yan. Doon kasi siya sa kabila. Actually, pwede siyang i-mirror, but wag na. I would rather do it that way, lalo na naka-isometric tayo. Baka maging iba yung kalabasan niya. So, I'm going to move this a little upwards. And again, that's copy. Going to snap up there, midpoint. And this is another M2P. 1 and 2. Enter. We're good. Except doon sa VTR natin. Okay? So, the vent through roof. So, let's see. So, nakakonect yan kay, what do you call this? So, water closet natin. Okay? Tsaka sa lavatory. Okay? So, para saan yung vent? They are for proper circulation. Okay? Para mag-function na maayos yung sewer line system natin, there should be ventilation or airflow inside. Okay, so let's see. That's L. Maybe I can just lower this one a little up there. Yan, banda dito. Kasi nga ayoko mag-overlap sila nung ano. Can turn off snap if you're having hard time relocating them. Yan. Tapos this time i-on ko siya. Aha. So I'm going to create a line here. Lagpas ko siya ng konti. This should be somewhere at hindi siya 3.6 kasi meron na. Just lagyan nyo na lang 5. Okay? Enter. That's actually more than the height, but I'm after the fact na ayoko siya mag-overlap sa ibang sub-object para mas maayos siya mabasa ng tubero. Okay? Anyway, I'm going to create a rectangle. 1 and 2. No particular dimension. Then I'll just be moving this one here. Okay? Click this, Control C and Control V. This is VTR. And you move it up here. Okay? Then, let's make a F5. Let's make another line. 1 and 2. Kasi nakakonect naman po yun. Pwede nyo siyang ilagpas. Then, just trim it. Okay? And then, the same. Dito sa ano natin. Lavatory. Okay? Then, that's F5. L. I need a straight line. Or probably we can trim this one. I need a straight line going here. Probably that is around 1.2. Okay? And ko-connecta po yung vent ng lavatory dito sa water closet natin. Trim nyo na lang po yung excess. Okay? So, ayan siya. Merong vent yung lavatory at saka si water closet. They are interconnected and it's going upwards. Okay? So, let's make another one dito sa isa. Okay? And copy. 1, 2, 3. Enter. Kunin ko yung dulo niya. I'll snap here. Yan. Click. And I hope hindi kayo naduduling. I'm going to press F5 and probably copy this. Select. And lagay siya dito kay lavatory. Yan. Make sure na may intersection kayo. Now, yung kinapin natin, ito yan. L, enter. Click. And lagpas ng konti. DR. There you go. We're done. Tapos na tayo. Okay? So, that's it. That's your water line and sewer line. Medyo nakakaduling ito kasi it's colored. But, this only serves as a refresher kasi in a way, naturo naman siya sa building tech saka sa utilities. And you can also have Google anytime that there are some pipes that you find it confusing on your end, which is given kasi student pa lang naman kayo. You have less experience as compared to professionals like us. So, if there are some things that are a little unclear, you can always Google since general design naman po yung fina-follow natin sa water line tsaka sa sewer line. Madali lang si water line. Sa sewer line lang kayo dapat mas maging careful. Okay? Anyway, that's it. I hope things are clear on your end, you can always play it back just in case may parts na medyo nahihirapan kayo. That's it. Thank you, everyone.